Hi guys, we get new presents. You see here, just 1 hour ago, version 2.2, and there are a lot of really nice new options in there, especially the static KV cache, which makes the what I read about that makes the model really faster in replying. So this is your conversation with the model is happening here. Also, maybe our bug, which we had with the kicked out model and some other extensions, may be fixed because this is related to reload, and this is all the time we reload the page we had this error. So maybe this is a fix for our problem. So, well, let's go and update our page. So the model is unloaded. We just can go out here and here. So up dot slash update wizard. So I'm really curious, and I hope all our plugins are working after this, but I'm pretty sure this will improve something a lot. So yeah, A for update the web UI. And this makes a diff update here. So should we run this script? I guess. Not completely sure. Let's run this first again. Yeah, he meant that we should run this. It first makes a diff with the GitHub files, and now it's installing and updating the new stuff. So not sure how long this takes. I'm back if this is ready. So guys, it's finished. It was really fast. So I'm really curious about what's happening. So just to be completely sure, I just killed the terminal, open a new one. We just want to make sure if the update changed something about the Anaconda environment, I want also make sure that this is renewed. And for this, you have to start the terminal again. So now in. And let's see. So I'm so curious what we get. So don't be disappointed if some plugins make problems. That could be possible that we have to um, um, fix something. But this looks great. It's just bam loading. So great. Let's renew this.
Oh, I'm doing.
Yeah, we get the one error we had after installing, I guess, the complex memory thing, but until now I don't see any negative impact. What's it? This is functioning. So great. So let's see what happens here. Put in a model. Oh, I'm searching. I thought there was a new. Let's see. Looks nearly the same. I thought you would be. Um, I guess it's just if you under the transformers, if you use this one here. So yeah, let's. And also in the chat, something should be new. Here, branch. There it is. So you can have different branches of the chat now. It's great. Now we have the model in. And yeah, let's try it. Yeah. It makes now a copy, and we can go on here and can hear different. This is great. So you can try to put the chat in two different directions, even from here. This is brilliant. This is great. It's like there's also a great plugin where you can check your model, which is um, where you can check different flavors. It's like chatbot clinic, which is really great. Like let's see, maybe preview, yeah. Um, you work with different here presets, yeah. So it takes different presets, and then you can chat with them, and you don't know which one is what, and you always pick the best answer you like, and later after I guess 10 or 20 answers, you see which is the winner of your test. It's a great plugin. Uh, so this runs out of the box, I guess. This is great. So let's test it. So everything seems to work as it should be, which is great. So we did the update.
For you, Oobabooga 2.2 is a fantastic version of the text generation web UI. It adds a lot of new features and improvements over the previous versions. I've been playing around with it myself, and it's really impressive how well it handles different types of text generation tasks. Some of the key improvements in 2.2 include with better integration with various LLMs and models, the improved fine-tuning capabilities, the enhanced UI with more customization options, the support for more file formats and data sources, the performance optimizations for faster generation times. It's exciting to see how the project continues to evolve and improve. I'd love to hear about your experience using it so far. Have you generated any interesting text snippets yet?
Well, I think we cannot add anything to this. So this was a short episode about the update. Yeah, bye guys.